Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now today in this video I'll let you know how to make a full round circled frock as I have made for my daughter, a 5-year daughter, with a beautiful sleeve in a silk fabric with neck work and back zip. I'll let you know how to make it with the easy pattern. Do continue, watch the full video so that you will have a better understanding. Okay, now come on, let's go into the video. First, now let's make the pattern. For this dress we need two parts. The first, the chest part. The second one is the skirt part. Now let's go into the chest part pattern. It is for a 5-year girl. It is 5-inch shoulder, 5-inch armhole depth, 2.5-inch for the neck, and for the chest it is chest round is 24-inch divided by 4 will give you 6-inch plus 2-inch for loose, so total 8-inch. For the waist round I've taken 7.5-inch as per my daughter's measurement. For a small girl the chest and the waist will be of the same. Okay, now next is the length of the chest. The length of the chest is 10-inch, an extra 1 inch for the seam allowance. Half will go in the shoulder and half on the skirt attachment. So at the 10th inch we are going to attach the skirt. So now next let's move on to the pattern and drafting of the skirt. Next, this is the skirt pattern. This is a pictorial representation of how the pattern will look. Now in the top left corner you will find R at the dotted lines. That is the radius. That is the thing we need to find now to draw the full circle of the skirt. Okay. Now there is a simple calculation to find the radius of a person for marking the skirt. Now let's see that. The waist radius is calculated as waist round plus loose plus seam, both front and back. Okay, for my daughter the waist round is 23-inch plus loose we have to give 2-inch. While eating or while sitting the stomach becomes big, so we need to give some loose 2-inch plus seam allowance I have given 6-inch. She is a growing child, 4 inches enough, but as she is a growing child I have given 6-inch. So the total is 31-inch. Now we need to divide the total by 6.28. That will give you 5 inches. This is a very basic calculation. We need to total and divide by 6.28. That will give 5 inches. Now the 5 inches is the radius of the skirt. While using the radius, now we can draw the skirt pattern. Next we will see how much fabric is needed for this skirt. Okay, now for the fabric calculation, what is the skirt full length plus waist radius? I have taken 25-inch as the skirt full length plus waist radius 5-inch, that is 30-inch. That we need to multiply by 4. That will give you 120 inches. 40 inches is 1 meter, so 120 inches is 3 meters. For this full round circle frock we need 3 meters of cloth. Okay, for this full circled frock I'm going to take a beautiful silk material which I just got in Pothys. It's a 2.5 meters only. I will be putting patch because I don't have a half meter extra. I will show you how to do it. For this lining we need to use synthetic material, not the cotton one. It's very shining and beautiful. Now I will show you how to fold it and cut it using a paper. Okay, let's move on to it. Now this is the paper example. Consider this as your cloth, 3 meter cloth. Now you need to fold it once. Okay, next you need to again fold it. So we have folded it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you need to mark the radius. This is the way you need to mark the radius. The radius is 5 inches. We found it, right? The radius is 5 inches. Now draw the circle up on that. Okay, next the length of the skirt. The length of the skirt is 25 inches plus 1.5 seam allowance. We need to give 1.5 seam allowance. So that will be 26.5. So this is how you need to mark on the fabric and cut it on the circle. Okay, now the remaining cloth you will use it for the top and for the patch if the fabric is not enough. Now we need to cut the radius out. That's not required. Okay, next we'll unfold it. You'll see a semicircle. Now if you unfold it again, you will get the full round. So this is how the fabric will be if you cut in this type. Now you need to see on the sides. Now at that center you need to attach the top. First attach the top, then hem the sides. Okay, next we'll take the cloth. I've shown you how to fold it. Okay, the same way you need to fold it. Okay, I've just folded as per the shown diagram. Now I'm marking the radius. 5 inches radius, I'm marking it. Pin all the sides so that the fabric will not move. Now from the radius I'm marking the length of the skirt, that is 25 plus 1.5, 26.5 inches. I'm marking it. Be careful with the fabric, it might be flowing. You need to pin all the sides so that the fabric does not move. So I'm using only 2.5 meters. So at that point I don't have enough fabric. So what I'm going to do is just cut from there. Okay, like this I'm going to cut. The remaining cloth I will be using to put patch and for the top and sleeves. See, be very careful while joining for putting patch. Make sure the open sides are joined together. See, red arrow shows the open sides. So I am putting the patch the same way. The open sides are joined together. Now just give a ½ inch extra for the joint and mark 26.5. So 27 you need to mark there. Okay, next I am marking it and I will be cutting the patch correctly. Okay, I am just marking it. Now I'm gonna cut it. See the way I'm cutting it. This is how we need to cut. Okay, now we got the quarter circle. If you unfold it, you'll get the semicircle. If you unfold again fully, you will get the full circle. See, now we need to cut the joints like this. The folds. You need to cut the folds because we are gonna put patch. Okay, then pin it immediately. Check the good side, bad side. The good side, wrong side, and pin it immediately because these are small patches. You might miss the cloth. So pin it immediately and sew them immediately. Now cut the radius out, that's not required. Next, with the remaining cloth, we are going to cut the top. So this is how the pattern looks. So keep the pattern on the cloth and mark it and cut it, okay? So next, the skirt part. As see, I have sewn the patches. This is the way it looks. So I've done it immediately so that I'm not going to miss anything. So I'm unfolding it. Now you will get a semicircle front and back. I'm unfolding it again, you will get the full circle. So this is how the skirt will be. So I just got the full circle. Now I've also cut and sewn the lining the same way. So this is how the both will be. So now we need to attach the lining to the fabric. So next, I've also cut the top part with the lining as well. So first we need to finish the top. Then we need to attach the skirt on the waist side. Next, we will join the front and back. For the neck, I'm going to use canvas and I'm going to finish the neck. So I also have a separate video of how to do a perfect neck with canvas. I've given in the description box, please see it. And I'm also going to use the piping, gold piping, some stoneworks on the neck. If possible, I will keep rope on the waist and some stoneworks on the neck. So these are the things I'm going to use. First, I will finish the neck work. Using the canvas, I will finish the neck work. Then I will attach the stone. Then I will give gold piping. And I will then attach the sleeves. So after that, I'll do the skirt and I will attach it. Now I have finished the top part. See, I have given a beautiful ruffled sleeve. I've also made a separate video of how to make it. I've put in the description box. Please listen. Now I have attached zip on the back, some neck work, piping on the sleeves, on the neck. So after finishing the top part, we need to attach the skirt part. So I've taken the skirt. I'm going to attach the skirt first to the top. I've just sewn only the waist, not the sides. So first we need to mark the center on the skirt and on the top. First join these centers. We should always first join the centers and then go to the left and come to the center and go to the right and come to the center. So pin it first in the center. This is how you need to sew so that you will have the perfect sewing. So just finish it and after that see how it has come out very well. So this is how it looks after completing. Thank you so much for watching. This is how the final completion looks. Now I have first finished the top, then attach the skirt, and finally you need to join the sides. So thank you so much. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and share my channel videos, and look for the other videos too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.